For technical and financial documents, for the procurement for goods and services, for technical component envelope for Class A documents, for legal documents, a valid PhilJEPS registration certificate, platinum membership, all pages in accordance with Section 8.5.2 of the IRR. For technical documents, statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any, whether similar or not similar in nature and complexity to the contract to be bid, and statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract or SLCC, similar to the contract to be bid, except under conditions provided for in sections 23.4.1.3 and 23.4.2.4 of the 2016 revised IRR of RA number 9184 within the relevant period as provided in the bidding documents. And D. Original copy of bid security, if in the form of surety bond, submit also a certification issued by the Insurance Commission, or original copy of notarized bid securing declaration, and E. Conformity with the technical specifications, which may include production delivery schedule, manpower requirements, and or after sales or parts if applicable, and F. Original duly signed omnibus sworn statement, and if applicable, original notarized secretary's certificate in case of a corporation, partnership, or cooperative, or original special power of attorney, or SPA, of all members of the joint venture, giving full power and authority to its officer to sign the OSS and do acts to represent the bidder. For final documents, G. The prospective bidder's computation of net financial contracting capacity, or NFCC, or a committed line of credit from a universal or commercial bank in lieu of its NFCC computation. For Class B documents, H. If applicable, a duly signed joint venture agreement in case the joint venture is already in existence, or duly notarized statements from all the potential joint venture partners stating that they will enter into and abide by the provisions of the JVA in the instance that the bid is successful. For financial component envelope, original of duly signed and accomplished financial bid form, and original of duly signed and accomplished price schedules, other documentary requirements under RA number 9184 as applicable, and lastly, certification from the DTI if the bidder claims preference as a domestic bidder or domestic entity.